What's up, guys? Will H, and today we're taking a look at the HOTWAV Tab R10 Pro Rugged Tablet. Big shout out to the folks over at HOTWAV for sending this out for a review. I'll definitely drop the product purchase link down below. I also like to give a shout out to C. Butler. Appreciate it. So this comes in two colors, orange or black. Price is going to be $249.99, but they're also offering a $40 discount coupon that you can apply as well. So some of the features and details: this features a 10.1-inch 1280 by 800 anti-glare display, has a 16 by 10 aspect ratio, 149 ppi, 400 nits of brightness, and it's 90 hertz refresh rate. This has the Unisoc T606 chipset, which is an octa-core, 256 gigabytes of storage, 8 gigabytes of RAM, with 12 gigabytes of virtual expansion RAM. You get a 10,000 milliamp hour battery that features reverse charging. You got IP68 water and IP69K for dust. You got a 5 megapixel front facing camera and a 13 megapixel rear facing camera. Now this has dual SIM support, 4G LTE, a 2.4 and 5.0 Wi-Fi, and 5.0 Bluetooth. So those are a few of the features and details. We'll get into a few more as we get into the packaging and get this unboxed. So here's the packaging that it comes in. Very nice white box. You got some of the same information that I named off over here. Got that branding on the side right there. And then on the back, some other information there. So I'm going to go ahead and get this open, check out what's in the packaging. Okay, guys, so this is everything that was in the box. You get your carrying strap right here, which I'll show you how that goes on. You get a 10-watt brick right here, a couple of cables, charging cables. You get the little clamps to connect it to your tablet, screwdriver, hardware for the strap, manual, and wet and dry wipes. We also have a screen protector, glass screen protector here too as well, tempered glass. Let me go ahead and cut that loose, get that loose here. So we get a tempered glass screen protector as well right here, guys. Put that over to the side, and here's the tablet. Now the tablet weighs 1.94 ounces. Has a pretty decent weight to it, made out of all plastic. Let's get this film off the front of it here. All right, so film on the front of it, and here's the front display. So there's your front-facing camera there, 10.2-inch display. And then let's go around the tablet. So on this side, you're gonna have your dual SIM card tray and your micro SD card slot. Right there, you're gonna have your charging port. Right here, this is water resistant, so those are sealed off. You got your speakers here. This side, you don't have anything there. This side, you got your power button, volume up and down, speakers, microphone. And then at the top, you do have another microphone there. And as you guys see, the corners are nice and raised up for drop protection right there. And this is the black one. So this is the black color, no orange accent. You do have your cameras on the back here and flash, camera and flash. Now this has a textured feel. There's a little branding right there. And there is a sticker here. I'll get that off in a little bit. You do have the two places here to attach the strap. Use the screwdriver to take those little screws out there, rubber screws, plastic screws. And this is it, guys. So we're gonna power this up. I'm gonna put my information in, and then we'll come back and take a look at the interface. Also looking at this, there is a screen protector already installed. So let's go ahead and power this up. Felt a buzz, and there it is. So I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, so we're back in. I have logged into my Google account. I haven't put very much on here. No apps at all, matter of fact. I have put the strap on, guys. Here's the strap. Very easy to put on. Take those 4 little metal screws out. I said plastic earlier, but they're metal. Replace them with the screws that come with the strap. And it's a pretty handy strap, so you can hold it. Grab your tablet and hold it like that. So that is done right there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interface here. All right, so this is the tablet when you first turn it on. This is the wallpaper out of the box. You guys can see that it does have some bezels there. But like I said, they right there, they're helpful for not touching the screen. So you give you extra place for your thumbs, but it doesn't look bad. So over to the immediate left, I'll call it, you got your feed here with your news articles, things like that. This one has the search bar at the top. You got your scores. At least that's how this is set up on this one. But you do have other stuff here. And like I said, I'll go over a lot of this stuff with when I come back in about a week or so and after using it. This is the wallpaper out of the box right here. This is what's on the tablet. So you got stuff like toolbox, let's see, FM radio, mostly Google stuff. You got a sound recorder. Very, very few what I like to call bloatware. You got kid space. But for the most part, it's Google material there. Let's go ahead and change this wallpaper to something that's a little bit darker. It's not bad. The display colors are not too bad. You can theme this, your theme icons, change your wallpaper right here. So let's see what we got in here. These are the ones that come on here. I think I'm going to use this one for the time being. A little bit more color and pop as we do this part of the video right here. And it's applied. So there it is. That's much more colorful in my opinion. And your drop down menu. So you got stuff like do not disturb, flashlight, wallet, battery saver, airplane mode, hotspot. Underwater, you can use the cameras underwater. Forgot to mention that earlier. And quick share, things like that. So that is in your quick drop down. If you had messages, they would be over here. I could power it off here as well. So going into the settings, you got network and internet, connected devices, apps, notifications, history, right there. Your battery, let's go back up. Battery, storage. So out of the 256 gigabytes, there's 12 gigabytes used by the operating system. You guys see, 9 by the system and 2.1 out on your apps. You can schedule this to turn on, turn off, on and off right there. Sound and vibrations, display. So you can put it on dark theme, which I've already done. You know, set your size of your text and stuff like that. Night light, color and contrast, things like that. Wallpaper, which we've already went over. Smart controls, so if you had smart devices, then you could control those. Accessibility, talk back, select the speech, different things there. Color and motion, you guys see that. Security and privacy. I have not checked to see if there's an update, but I will, and I'll follow up on the next video I do. Memory expansion, you can enable this. If I enable it now, I have to restart the tablet, but I will on the next video tell you about that. You got location, safety and emergency, passwords and account, digital well-being, parental controls, Google. You got your system right here. So this is running Android 14 right there. And about tablet right here. So you got Android 14, security update February the 5th to 2025. So that's pretty much it as far as the going through the tablet right quick. So far, it seems like it's pretty smooth, guys. You got your cameras on here. I'll cover them in the next video. This is more or less just an unboxing of this device and taking a quick look at what's on the device when you first get it. So I'll follow up in about a week. Catch you guys in the next video. This is the HOTWAV Tab R10 Pro Rugged Tablet. Will H, I'm out.